Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing Roblox, and I'm going to be playing Fidget Toy Obby. But before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I love Fidget Toy Obby. It's my favorite game, one of my favorite games. So, yeah, let's go to Fidget Toy Obby. So basically, it's a basic, simple tower with fidget toys. So, yeah, let's go. Someone else joined. So basically, there was puppets. Now we have the simple dimples. Oh my god! Someone else is winning me. What? The enables. The enables. DNA. The enable. Oh my god! Oh my god! I don't know how that happened, but oh my gosh. So basically, you jump on the green one. 1 minute. You jump to that. Whee! Yes. Diddy! Yay! Oh my gosh. Hope I landed on that puppet. Simple puppet squeeze, puppet squeeze. Wait, what? What the hell? Oh, I have gone back. Great. Really great. Simple dimple, puppet squeeze, puppet squeeze, puppet squeeze. Simple dimple, puppet squeeze. I love puppets. They're so cool. Oh my goodness. I always lose on the simple dimple one because the chain, that bit that I'm standing on, always misses. Like, I always miss it. DNA balls. Yay. I really wanted a DNA ball. I really wonder how it feels, but it probably feels really good and bad. Because, like, comment down if you have any fidgets. If you're able to comment down on this video, if you have a DNA ball fidget, tell me how it feels, because I really wanted a DNA ball and want to feel how it feels. So, oh my god, wait, fidgets. I have all of these fidgets, pop tubes. Yay, green puppet. I love puppet. Come on. I want to jump. I want to jump. Come on. Green puppet. I hate you, green puppet. Oh my god. I'm gonna do. Hi, green puppet. Can you fly me over the puppets to make me wet? Oh my. I did not notice I looked somewhere else. I did not notice it. Yes. Oh my goodness. Cannot beat that stage. Cannot beat that stage at all. Come on. Make me fly. Make me fly. Please. Please. I want to fly to those puppets. To pop them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Green puppet. Please. Bruh. You literally just don't make me fly. Thank you. Thank you so Oh my god, I'm gonna go crazy. This is driving me nuts though. Please make me jump. Yes. Oh my god. Oh my. I literally had no idea if it made me jump or not. Oh my god. How did that bacon guy come there? How did that bacon guy came there? Yes, yes. Oh my god. For real? F-bar? That means for real, by the way, guys. For real? You mean? You mean for real? Because I don't want you to mean it for real. Please, come on. Green puppet, I love you. And I want you to make me jump. Make me jump, please. Please. Yes. Yes. Please. 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 Yes. Oh my god, this is the worst one. Look, see. I hate acupressure rings because of this, because I love Roblox and the Fidget Toy, which is one of my favorite games. And they have acupressure rings in, which I always fall from the middle or the side. I found this hack, but I actually made this hack. So, but still, I cannot do it. Yes, yes. Please. Oh my god. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Please. Oh my god. When did you come? Oh my god. For real? That literally happened. Wait. Oh, I think I know where I jumped on the last time. I think I jumped on the third one. But I don't know. By the way, I turned off the sound so you guys can hear me, because when you die or something, the oof sound is actually really loud when you turn it on. So, yeah. I don't want you guys getting distracted. That's why. I'm doing it for you. I'm doing it for winning the game, so the sound won't distract me too. Please happen this time. Just this time. I'll just play Fidget Toy Obby one last time, which is this time. Please let me win. Oh my god. Yes, thank you. Oh, pop tubes. I like pop tubes. I like the noise they make, but I do not prefer it for school. It's too loud. What do you mean? For real, I passed this stage. Or am I saying wrong? Is there pop tubes behind me? Or is there puppets behind me? Because I don't want puppets behind me. I think there's puppets behind me. No! There's literally puppets behind me. I hate when you oh my goodness. Barbarian. You mean, someone's gonna pass me now. Look, they already did. Basically, if you guys think my outfit is good, ready to find the Robux, I did not find the Robux. I just picked up some free thingies. Like this hair was free and stuff. I did not know these stuff were free. When I first played Roblox, they spent Robux. So, but when I second time played, and when it was the next day, they were free. I mean, what? I don't even have Robux. Did I unlock them or something? I mean, what? So yeah. My outfit is good though. So yeah. Oh my god. For real. You are stupid. This is literally so stupid. I'm like on the last one. And I was on the pop tubes and it made me go here one more. Again. I hope I won't do that on the next time when I go to the pop tubes and lose. Hope I won't lose. So I won't be in the acupressure rings again. Did you guys get that? If you did get it, then please tell the truth. Did you or did you not? Because if you guys did get it, then it's okay. If you guys did not get it, then it's not okay. I'm talking a bit weird. I don't know why, but it's like I'm like really annoyed from someone right now. So actually, 3 people. 3 person. I'm annoyed of 3 person. Guys, I hate acupressure rings. This is why. Aw, that outfit looks comfy, but you're not comfy in real life, okay? Oh my god, my battery's dying. I better beat the stage. So guys, that was it for playing Fidget Toy Obby. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did like the video, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And like this video. And hit that notification bell. Love you guys all. Bye.